Welcome back to this dimly lit shot of me sitting in the back of my Jeep. I actually came out to Girraween this weekend because I feel like doing some photography, which I haven't really focused on for a long time. That does actually sound like something you'd like to spend the next 10 or 15 minutes watching. Frankly, you're probably a bit weird. Welcome to join me. If that's you, I'll see you in the morning. So as the astute viewer may be able to tell, I didn't get up early enough to catch the sunrise. Woke up in the middle of the night shivering and tired, and changed my alarm. So it's around 7 o'clock and I'm making my way up to the pyramid. I don't mind so much that I'm missing the sunrise. The whole point of this trip was just to get out of the city for the weekend. Hang on. This way. Yeah, to get out of the city for the weekend, mooch around the national park, take some pictures, climb a few hills. Anyway, let's go see the pyramid. So that's the pyramid. It's like 10 o'clock on Saturday and I'm going to make me some coffee something wrong with the locking mechanism, so had to improvise here. Basically just jam a stick in there to hold it in place. I suspect that you're not actually supposed to do that. If it explodes, we'll know that that was true. But you know what? I need coffee, so... I've just been into Ballandine to pick up some essentials, that being coffee for today, alcohol for tonight, firewood for tonight. Just got back, it's 12:30, camp's like dead quiet, so might actually have a little nap. Full throttle, all the time. Alright, that's enough. One for the gram, you know how it is. I'm just kidding, that's not one for the gram, that isn't what this is, and it's not how I operate. So this is the Sphinx anyway, not that, it's actually just there. I don't know what this is, it's pretty cool though. I think I'm going to put the drone up quickly and see if I can figure out where to take my picture from. Special shout out to DJI who almost made me crash my drone. Thanks. So apparently sometimes the app just logs you out, and if you don't log back in, it restricts where you can fly. So you think you can just pop up over an obstacle, but all of a sudden it's like max altitude, f you, and you nearly hit stuff. Anyway, I'm seeing if I can get a signal to log in. The lights actually turned really good. Maybe you can see that. Gorgeous afternoon sun, so if I can get this drone working, maybe I will get my shot after all, and I won't have to get up at 5 o'clock and come up here again. We're in. All right, time to get the shot. I think it's a drone shot. Oh yeah, look at that baby. Perfect. about 4:20. Sunset's in about half an hour. I'd better get to work. It's a good thing this granite's really sticky. Yeah, I do believe I found the thumbnail for this video. Right, that's looking pretty good. So I've got my panoramic head on here. Just need to Alright, camera's in manual. Basically everything's in focus, so start out there. Oh, one more thing. This is a fiddly business, isn't it? 2-second timer so I don't bump the camera. And that will be good. Can't tell you how excited I am that I found this spot today, got the photo I wanted, and don't have to get up in the cold, dark morning. Does mean I'm going to have to walk back to camp in the dark, so it's probably an hour or hour and a half, partly in the dark. Do have a head torch, so should be all right. Another adventure, isn't it? So here I am, literally 2 minutes later, and the light is completely gone. Dull as. So that's no good. Glad I got here when I did. You can see that huge bank of cloud. Sun's behind that. I don't think there's going to be anything more today. I'm going to use this opportunity to get to camp a little early, get a fire going. That's what I'm going to do. All right, out.
I've had worse. Just remembered I had leftover salami. This whole cooking in the tent thing's becoming a bad habit though.
Alright, left camp behind us and we're on Pyramids Road heading up to Underground Creek, final stop on my trip. So, easy walk to finish up with to Underground Creek. It's really beautiful down this end of the park. Really nice foliage, like undergrowth and just colors. Sphinx. So that was the first part of Underground Creek thing, and this is where we get to see the really cool kind of erosion caused by the water. It's just running like in a deep sort of cut right through the rock. And that's about it for Underground Creek. Personally, I could have stayed there and played around with photography all day, but I do have to get home at some point today. Back to the daily grind tomorrow, you know how it is. So, I hope you liked the trip. I hope you liked the photos. I hope you liked the slightly new format. If you're one of the very few people who has now watched this video and has also watched any of my previous videos, you're a select few, and I thank you. Anyway, that's enough rambling. Until next time, catch you on the trail.